coming from Kisumu, and some meetings also here. I'm the team leader for this exercise. What we are doing, my name is Augustine Wega, coming from APEC. So we are here on behalf of Kenya Railways. In terms of the processes of this study, we are trying to get the socio-economic impacts for this project and identify those who are impacted by the project so that we can come up with mitigation measures. We are as well identifying key actors or stakeholders in the processes, because these are big projects. It's not just offering transportation, but it has other opportunities. So in terms of what is the role of Kenya Railways, what is the role of other stakeholders, the national and the county government, the local leadership and the communities have a bigger role. The question that the chief, you said is the chief or is the assistant chief, that question is asking us, is actually the responsibility, because those are his people. He needs to assist them the processes of succession. Issues of succession are domiciled in the administration and the courts. They need to be addressed at the family level, then they are escalated to the administration who are supposed to do a letter. Then after that they go to court. When they come from court, they go through the processes of court, they go back to the survey. From the survey, they go to the land board. Who shares the land board? The DCC. Yeah. So all those are issues which are sorted, not even National Land Commission. They are sorted within the local system because that's how they should be done. So it is our responsibility to identify, not just on issues of projects, but on issues of future or wherever, property ownership, because if they are orphans, the community should take care of them. And it's not only the orphans who have issues of succession. We have people in the community who have issues of succession. And basically why issues of succession are not sorted out is because most of the family members have issues. They don't want to agree on who is going to own what, who is supposed to take what. And for your information, with such projects, when there are succession issues, they cannot be sorted at this time. Because everybody sees the opportunity of getting money. And each one wants a portion where the railway is passing. So how are you going to sort them out? It's natural. Kila mtu anavutanga kamba kwake. Hata hao watoto wanasema ni watoto. Because I'm sure they are not watoto per se. Yeah? They are not 2-year-old. They are not 15. Some I know they are 30-old-year men. Si kweli? Ama I come from the moon? No. Possibly natoka Mars na nyinyi mnatoka. But these are the issues that we are experiencing. And the question is, what is our role as a community? Are we just seeing issues when we have such a kind of a project? This project should provide us, should help us to position ourselves and see opportunities. What are the opportunities this project is providing? Not direct, but more so indirectly. Some of the issues which are going to be provided directly by the project, like local employment during the construction, they are short-term, right? But in terms of other opportunities, socio-economic aspects, what someone has asked about a station. Just to respond, a station is not just informed by where the line is passing, right? It's informed by several factors. And we are looking at those factors which informed the engineer. So at this time, we are interrogating them, because at that point when the engineer was designing the project, there were socioeconomics who were doing that. But as we are going beyond what they looked at, we are looking at the appropriateness of that place. They looked at it from a perspective of accessibility. But as you look at, yes, do we have land available for a station? How much impact is that station going to have on the owners of that land? right? So that will inform or will justify whatever has been proposed. And then after seeing that, then we ask ourselves, what is the way forward? Because it's not just identify the person who is affected by the project and saying it's so and all that. We are looking beyond that. So I know that question has come when we were at the governor's office sometime 2 weeks ago. Why is there no station in Nyamira? I hope my colleague has shown where the line is passing. We have already shown them. And we have seen the meandering. In fact, one of the portion where the line is in a tunnel. Right? So it's getting to Nyamira through a tunnel. Can you do a station there? Right? Chief, you have talked about the geotechnical that was being done. It was being done to inform design. Right? It was not being done because that's when you are doing a design for such a project, it's informed by so many factors. What is underneath, what we can see, it needs to tell you whether the pillars they are going to put, because some of the facilities of the railway itakuwa juu, itapita kwa bridges, right? Unauko itapita kwa service, but in this area where we have a lot of valleys and rivers and all that and hills, the obvious is inapita juu, inapita kwa tunnels. So as accessing those places, hata tukiweka station huko itakuwa. So what informed the two stations which are neighboring Nyamira is accessibility. How are people able to access? Because it's not only Nyamira. The people are coming there to the station. They are from Nyamira, especially the Sondu one. The Sondu one is informed by 4 counties. You can access it from Kisumu, you can access it from Homa Bay, you can access it from Kericho, and you can also access it from Nyamira, right? So it will be a hub where not only one community, because that will provide an opportunity even for those interactions. Someone has talked about a period ago where you could not access because of infighting. But when people are interacting for purposes of mutual benefit, some issues of conflict even, they become past tense. Because I need you as much as you need me. So those are some of the factors which are informed. The other one on the upper side is also about access. We are employing people not just from that small area, people from the wider, even wider Nyamira, they are also able to access. So the design aspect, the issue of topography, the terrain of the area, we are looking at what is the underground able to sustain the weight of the pillars that are going to be put. So all those aspects are informing where the railway line is going to pass. So at this particular time, I know she has informed you, we have a team that is pegging. And after pegging, then the time now will be able to know exactly the areas and what is affected within those areas, because we'll be able to see it. And when we see it now, we can do the general assessment, which now will be able to confirm what is in the document and what everybody is able to see. I'm sure I've addressed quite a number of issues. The issues of employment, and the issues of opportunities, and everywhere what we are saying is in Sondu, a hub. What we are looking at is and more so with us local people, can we see opportunities that this hub is going to provide to us? And can we position ourselves to exploit those opportunities? Because if we don't position ourselves, someone else is going to see it. It's an opportunity created by the railway. So how do we take advantage of those opportunities? How do we position our people? Not in here too. Is where we are able to sell our stuff, where we are able to add value to our stuff, where we are able to create a name for ourselves. Thank you.